Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tasha and I'm so glad to have you here. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle. Hopefully it turns out how I'm picturing it in my head, because you know when you have a hairstyle in your head, you're like, yeah, I'm going to be doing that. And if you want to see how I achieve this style, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. This is how my hair is starting out. If you watched my previous video, you'll see how I dyed my hair jet black at home, how I cover my grays because your girl got some gray hairs that needed to go. So if you want to see that video after you watch this video, it will be in a card up here as well as in the description box below. I'll have that for you. I blow dried it, so that's why it looks like this, as well as I mixed up some oils. I put it in my hair. I'll show you the oils that I use. I just use regular castor oil. You know what, let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, I was like, you know what, why am I not showing you guys? So I use my black castor oil as the base. This one is really thick, so you don't want to use it by itself, as well as I use some extra virgin olive oil. And as you can see, this looks like it's from the grocery store because it is. And yeah, I just picked this up in the regular section with the oil. It was actually on sale. I believe I paid like $4 for this. I bought a few at Walmart. And then I use 2 drops of my tea tree oil. This is mainly for my scalp so that it can heal it, because I do get like a lot of dry spots sometimes, so this just blends in with the oil and it heals my scalp. I already did it, so I'm just gonna put my finger over it. Just put in drops along these parts of my hair. I just go like that, and then I massage it in. I flip my hair to the side and I do it on the sides, and I massage it in, and then I flip my hair over just to make sure my scalp is A1 and all fine. I brush my hair out with a detangle brush. So I got Expressions hair in the color I'm supposed to say 1B, but it's 1. It is pre-stretched hair. It only makes sense to get pre-stretched hair because if you have to end up stretching this hair, it's gonna take a million years. And it's just very time consuming, and I've realized that the hard way. I got 2 packs of this. Each pack has 3 different bundles of hair. I also got some rubber bands because these always come in handy because I have to be parting off my hair and just working with sections at a time, as well as a comb to help me with my parting, especially at the back. This is just easy to just go straight across, and I usually just feel to make sure that the part is right. Rubber bands, because I'm also going to be putting some beads at the end. Has that little tool in there to help me. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna start off by parting my hair into sections. It just makes the process much more easier. You guys, I also forgot I'll be using the Let's Jam Conditioning Shining Gel to help with keeping the hair together. You'll see how I use this. I'm like, how I forget that? So now I'm just splitting the hair up into sections. First into sections for each braid, and then I'm gonna split those sections into smaller sections so that I could feed the braid in. So now for the braiding, I'm gonna show you guys this a couple times, and each time we go, it might get a little bit more easier. So you just wanna stick around, don't get frustrated, because at first it can be frustrating just getting that proper angle. But as you can see, I braid the braid down a couple times, about 4, I don't go past like 4. And then I split the hair into two sections, and I feed it in. Like I grab it on two parts of my braid, and then I loop it around. Like I continue to braid. Like it's easier for you to just watch and see how it's done. Like you see, I grab it, I put it on that strand of hair, and then I have it on that other strand. And then you see, I take the other one and I bring it around the back, and I just continue to braid down. So I'm going to show you this a few times, so don't worry. At first it may be confusing, but it gets easier. And like you can see, I use the jam just to slick my hair for the braiding so that I don't have a lot of straightaways. It's just one of those things where you just have to see it probably a couple times. So I just braid my hair down, and then I grab a smaller piece of hair and I attach it to one part of my braid, and then I attach it to another one, you see? And then I take the third braid and I bring it around as if I'm still braiding. Are you kind of getting it? I hope so, but I'm gonna show you this a few times. Don't worry, you know I got you. So you want to just make sure that each strand of your hair has a piece of braiding hair on it, so that when you get down to the end, you're not missing out any hair. So I just wanted to show you guys that I made sure that I positioned the hair on that side so that it was easier for me to attach a piece of hair to it. Just in case, like, you know, sometimes you're braiding and you're like, why is this strand short? It's because it didn't get a piece of feeding hair on it. So I just wanted to show you guys that you don't want to forget that. So I'm just adding some beads to my hair, and of course this is optional. In the packet gave me this tool that was easy to apply the beads on it. So you just do it like how I'm showing you, and then you want to take the end of your hair and make a little loop so that you can put it through, and you just slide it on just like that. Next, you just want to take a rubber band and secure the last bead at the end, and I just hold it like this and I wrap it around a couple times. And then when I'm finished wrapping it around, I just cut off the end of the hair so that it's not sticking out, and that's about it. And that's it for my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment down below as well as subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.